5th National Early Childhood Development Stakeholders Conference concluded on 19th July 2023, receiving praises from Governor Jeremiah Lomorukai and stakeholders for its tremendous success. The theme of the conference was From Policy and Evidence to Action. The 3-day event brought together more than 500 ECD practitioners, researchers, policymakers, and other stakeholders from 31 counties and 10 countries. Its primary objective was to emphasize the crucial role of research and data in shaping policy decisions and translating them into tangible actions. Before kicking off the event, Dr. Teresa Moma gave some highlights of the conference.
We are here in Turkana County for the 5th National ECD Stakeholders Conference, and the conference theme is From Policy and Evidence into Action. We have 4 thematic areas that we are going to explore. One is the systems in ECD in Kenya, and here we are going to look at what systems have been put in place in relation to early childhood, in relation to policy, governance, multi-sectoral coordination, and financing early childhood. We have aligned several presentations, some which are research-based, others which are program implementation-based, so that people have an opportunity to learn from what is working, what is not working, and what changes should be made. Another thematic area is knowledge sharing, where we will look at some of the indigenous knowledge and practices that can be able to enhance nurturing care for young children. We will also be having a thematic area around early childhood education, where those in education will be sharing with us about what they are doing in terms of education. So this is a great occasion where we are expecting donors, we are expecting researchers, we are expecting civil society organizations, community-based organizations, religious organizations, private sector, and all the donors and the philanthropists to be here in Turkana County to discuss issues around children on our theme, From Policy and Evidence to Action.
Catholic Relief Services Regional, strengthening the capacity of religious women in early childhood development, SCORE ECD coordinator, Sister Pauline Akayo, had this to say.
We have been taking some time to organize this, including all the stakeholders who are implementing early childhood development. From the Catholic Relief Services, we have come with our partners, the sisters. Later, you can also go and take what we are presenting. We have a stall with all activities of the nurturing care inclusive, so that people can learn from how we are working with the children for their developmental milestone. And the partners that work with us are the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of Education. We have PATH here, we have CIDU, we have World Vision, we have Save the Children, we have Mary Mills, we have Kidogo, so many partners that join together for this occasion. And I'm happy to say our donor, Hilton Foundation, is even here and is going to learn and see and confirm what we always talk about, the evidence, what we are doing in the community.
Early childhood development outcomes are delivered at the household level. They're delivered in pre-primary schools. They're delivered through community settings. So how are we involving the community to inform and influence and lead and drive and inform everything we do? Those are all elements related to governance.
The conference had also panel presentations and discussions.
On the causes of stress to the parents or parental stress, what are the causes? And he went ahead also to tell us how it impacts, those stresses impact on child development. And before he concluded, he also went ahead to explain to us in this presentation what can we do in order to move away from the evidences we have seen into action. And that fits so well with our theme of this conference. So let's give a round of applause for them. If you have any questions, write it down and come for asking. The third presenter is going to be Abel.
Working with payment as an organization and implementing a broad spectrum of activities under nurturing care for early childhood development. But for this particular conference, I want to share a study that we had in Siaya.
Speaking when he officially closed the conference, Lomarukai expressed his gratitude to the dignitaries and delegates. He also acknowledged the valuable contributions from the partners in resource mobilization that facilitated the event. Hilton Foundation representative appreciated the conference and gave a recommendation.
I really enjoyed the conference, the chance to interact with all the different colleagues. I enjoyed the interventions by the First Lady of Nyamira, by the UNICEF team. I thought the MC and comparing with Bioska was fantastic. So I really enjoyed. Maybe one recommendation for next time would be to shorten the agenda a bit, maybe not have as many speakers. But other than that, it was fantastic, and I look forward to the next one.
National Coordinator of the Early Childhood Development Network for Kenya, Dr. Teresa Moma, revealed that the conference had set a record with the highest number of participants ever. On the opening day, 1,193 participants graced the event.